stay today, actually. What's wrong?
I have the.
You have the.
Let me fix my mask.
What's
I have it. My doctor said I had to wear this all the time around my body. The doctor said so. Oh.
What's up, Mom?
I have the.
You have the.
Just go.
You have that?
Yes, my doctor said I had to wear this around my body. Jeez. Nobody will ever listen.
Are you getting better?
Get away.
Are you getting better, Princess Peach?
No.
You're supposed to stand 6 feet apart. That's good. Your mask keeps slipping. Here, I'm gonna get you a tissue. Alright, here's a tissue.
Thank you.
Cool. Now take that tissue. and use it for
Stay back more.
Hey, Mom, there's a new
Go,
sound. There's a
go.
new sound on my foot.
Okay, go.
What? It's this. I'm do some parkour. You ready?
No. Get away. Mario. Get away. Mario. Get your sons away.
Okay, God.
Our 3 sons, even our baby.
That's not even my son. You just take care of them.
Just get away. Put my mask back on.
Hey, Mom.
Go. I have the. My doctor
Why do you
said.
want me to go?
I have the. My doctor said to wear this mask around my body. Can you go bring me another tissue?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Thank you.
There's your tissue, Mom.
You need to stay more away.
Why do I keep calling you Mom? You just
Stay more away. This could get you spread.
I'll sit right here on the couch.
You need to stay more away. Mario, come get your sign.
Why is this TV always stay on? Why is this background music always on? Because you can hear in the background, Mom.
Okay. Achoo.
I'll go get you another Kleenex.
Okay.
No, I'm not here. Okay.
Grab this tissue. Go get me a brand new one.
Okay, put the tissue somewhere, okay? Move it.
Okay. I'll go throw it in the trash.
Okay. Okay.
I just throwed it.
Here's another tissue.
Go. You need to stay more. Friends, come here. Whoa. Daughters. You act like a daughter. Whoa. Are you okay? Yes. Can you go get me a new one? I'm going to throw in the paper ball. Thank you. Thank you, friend, a lot.
I don't talk much. Are you doing any better, Princess Peach?
No, I won't in a couple of days.
Can I sit right here and watch TV?
Yeah, sure. Just
That
you
TV
need.
is on still. Why don't you keep leaving it on?
Just don't bother me.
Okay.
Go get me a new one. I'm going to throw this in the paper ball.
Why keep saying it?
Because I will if I want.
It's your 50th Kleenex. God.
This will heal up about 2 days. Well, it's time for bed. I'm going to take off my mask because I cannot sleep. Go tell Mario. Come here. Tell Mario, come here.
Mario. Junior told me that you want me in her.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm gonna keep my mask on because that's what my doctor said.
Okay.
Yeah. Watch. Marty, can you wash this? You need like 20
No,
gloves.
you put it in the washer. Go buy another washer and wash it. That's how you get the.
Okay, fine.
Cha-ching.
I'm throwing the washer.
Why do you do that? Okay? Why do you do that? Cha-ching. When you do that?
Because I want. Go get my mask. Go put it back on. Mario, why are you dreaming about poop? I heard you poop poop poop.
It's just how I am, okay?
Oh, God.
Are you getting better, Mom? Where's Mom?
Put my mask on.
Okay, careful.
I am. Takes a little bit. Slide all over me.
You don't have to put your mask on. You know that, right?
My doctor said.
I mean,
Doctor
doctor's
said-
not always right. You know that, right?
You don't know.
You know that. That's why I never go to the doctors, because I know they're wrong.
Sometimes you're right. This time I'm gonna put it a different way, okay?
It's boring at the same quarantine. Wait, if you have the... then why are you still at the house?
I don't know.
Did the doctor say you can stay at the house?
Yes, I have to. This is horrible way.
Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe please. I'm gonna try to get it to 4 subscribers. Just like my channel, Super Mario Thompson. Go check out my channel and I'll see y'all later. And
Hold on.
stay away from the camera.
Like and subscribe. Thank you if you do. I have maybe my next video I might be way more better. Thank you. Goodbye.